Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again and again. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we can see that USD is showing an upside. If you look at the chart of DXY, then as expected, DXY is continuing the fall. DXY right now standing at 101.80 and heading towards the next support around 101.25. If DXY breaks 101.25, then things will be critical and the next level will be 100, the psychological support for DXY. So things are not very positive for DXY right now. So as a result, Euro USD is showing an upside. Euro dollar, the 5-hour is standing at 1.0869. This is the current market price. As already I have discussed in the previous video, that if we look at the chart here, that yes, in this particular portion of the chart, Euro USD may be going up. Maybe it is very bullish right now. But if we look at the structure of Euro USD, then we can see that right now it is standing at the top. Every market has an average price, and as we all know that no market goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. So and right now market standing at the top, it means that there is a possible reversal, not reversal, a possible retracement on the market very soon. Okay, so if you already have taken a buy position, you can be on the trade because the overall Euro USD is very much bullish. But if you're looking for fresh entry, then you can take a buy position with proper risk management if Euro USD shows an upside again. If Euro USD breaks this particular level and starts going up here, then you can consider taking a buy position, but keep in mind it will be a risky buy position. As I have discussed on the video of gold, that if you usually take a lot size of 0.5, then go with a lot size of 0.25 or 0.1. If you usually take a lot size of 1.0, then this time try to take a lot size of 0.3 or 0.4. Why? Because taking a buy position above this level, okay, will be high risk. It's always better to take a buy position at dip, at support, in case of an uptrend market or a trending market like this. But right now we don't have any support. In even we do not see any retracement also on the chart right now. So obviously it is a high risk. If you want to take a buy position in case there's an upside, you can go for it, but yes, try to reduce the risk and follow proper risk management. Obviously if the market comes down, then obviously we will be getting much better opportunities to enter. For example, we can look for a buy position around 1.0775. We can look for a buy position on 1.0720, 1.0720, 1.0675. Already discussed in a previous video all these levels. In case market comes on, these levels will be better buying entries. If market comes, take support and bounces. But right now, okay, things are quite risky, so please be careful. And yes, obviously keep an eye on the chart of DXY because DXY will play a big role. And if possible, try to wait till European session, because right now while I'm recording the video, the Asian session is going on. To wait till European session, because usually we do not see much movement during the first half on Monday especially. So let's wait and watch. Okay, to be honest, I am not in any position right now, any open position right now. Okay, I'm just observing the market. And my dear friends, probably you know it very well that this is my Hindi channel. I started this channel a couple of months ago, but the contents were not regular. Nowadays, yes, I'm uploading contents regularly. Try to subscribe to the channel, okay, if you're interested in Hindi stuff. The videos come before the US session so that you can also get the benefit of the English channel during the Asian session, European session, and US session के लिए Hindi videos. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.